Over in Negril, at one hotel, guests having dinner on the seaside had to seek higher ground, while persons living on the beach had to sleep elsewhere. Shamela Pullen has the details.
Last night around 8 o'clock, our guests were in our dining room, and all of a sudden we had a freak, I have to call it like a freak hurricane. It lasted about half an hour to an hour.
Sophia Grizzle is the proprietor of Shirella Inn Resort in Negril, Westmoreland.
The wind was horizontal and the rain came down, and we had to evacuate our guests out of our dining room that has protective covering, but the rain and the water went straight through it.
She is describing the events on Monday evening when high waves came crashing on the shoreline. The impact became clearer Tuesday morning. Toppled beach chairs, seaweed, and debris were everywhere. We arrived to waves pounding the coastline.
We had to pull down our entire bar because the glasses were rattling. It was really, really windy. The whole place is covered in leaves from the trees. And then the sea came in during the night. We had a lot of power cuts as well, on and off power cuts during the night.
And it's not just the hoteliers reeling from the effects.
I see rough sea, this one here past everyone I see. This one is really rough.
Last night the wind blew hard and blew some sink off my house. Fly like on,
Right.
Yeah, I think I'm like that.
How was it for you last night?
Well, it was a rough night, I didn't expect that, the weather would be like this.
I think everybody from here to go straight back to 70. Alligator Pond and then really. Yeah, man. P-Jockey said yeah.
The Met Service issued a severe weather alert for small craft operators and water sports on Tuesday. According to the advisory, a cold front east of Jamaica has resulted in strong winds and very large waves. But due to climate change, this is perhaps not the last time the country will experience this. In 2014, stakeholders in Negril rejected efforts by the authorities to erect a breakwater. It was felt the measure would stem coastal erosion caused by decades of extreme weather events. The hoteliers remain unconvinced that this will help.
No one knows what the breakwater would have done. The breakwater would not have protected the entire beach of Negril.
Instead, Lee Issa is calling on the authorities to build a seawall along the West End Main Road.
The road is becoming slowly impassable. You have to be riding on the sidewalk to go from the town up to the West End. We have a lot of people holidaying here, a lot of people love the West End, and this is what we have to put up with. And I just think the government needs to just get cracking on it right away and do something before it gets any worse. We can't do anything more than just ask the people that are in charge to do what they are paid to do. We pay our taxes, we expect something in return. Negril is a forgotten entity. We're caught between the devil and the deep blue sea.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.